Welcome, power enthusiasts. Today, we're unraveling the secrets of 5 intriguing laws of power. Get ready to dive deep into the art of influence. Let's kick things off with Law 1. First up, we've got a gem of a principle. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. In a nutshell, it's all about appearing a tad less intelligent than your target to work your manipulation magic. Now, let's break that down with a real-world example. Picture this. A savvy con artist, a master of the game. What do? They pretend to be a bit clueless, especially on a particular topic. Why? Well, it's all about exploiting the overconfidence of their unsuspecting target. It's like a strategic dance where the con artist takes the lead by making themselves seem like the less knowledgeable party. So, next time you find yourself scratching your head, wondering why someone's playing the fool, remember there might be more to it than meets the eye. Now, Law 2, using the surrender tactic to transform weakness into power. It's all about strategic moves to gain the upper hand. Let's jump right in. Picture this. Instead of confronting a challenge head-on, you strategically retreat or act like you're at a disadvantage. Seems counterintuitive, right? But here's the twist. It's a power move. By feigning weakness, you set yourself up for a stronger position. Let's break it down with a real-life example. Imagine you're in a negotiation. Instead of eagerly jumping at the deal, you feign disinterest. You make it seem like you could walk away without a second thought. And what happens? The other party, sensing an opportunity slipping away, sweetens the deal to keep you on board. Boom. Weakness transformed into power. Next is Law 3. Concentrate your forces. In a nutshell, it's all about focus, avoiding the temptation to spread yourself too thin. Instead, concentrate your efforts and resources on what truly matters. Now, imagine a startup navigating the competitive business landscape. By narrowing its product focus to a specific market segment, it's not just avoiding the scattergun approach, but honing in on where it can make the most impact. This deliberate concentration allows the startup to maximize its resources, leaving a lasting impression on its target audience. So, whether you're a business owner, a creative mind, or someone striving for personal growth, remember the power of concentration. It's not just about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. Law 4. Playing the perfect courtier. In a nutshell, it's all about adapting your behavior to your surroundings and catering to the tastes of those in power. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're a diplomat navigating the world of international relations. You want to build strong connections, right? Well, here's the key. Ingratiating yourself with foreign dignitaries. How? By showing a keen understanding of their customs and preferences. Picture this. You're at a diplomatic event, and you notice a foreign dignitary has a fondness for a particular type of art. What do? You make it a point to discuss and appreciate that specific form of art. You adjust your behavior to align with their interests, creating a stronger bond and increasing your influence. Remember, it's about playing the game wisely, understanding the dynamics, and adapting to thrive in your environment. So, whether you're navigating the world of diplomacy or simply navigating the complexities of your workplace, this law teaches us the art of playing the perfect courtier. Lastly, Law 5. Recreate yourself. In life, change is the only constant, right? Law 5 urges us to embrace this truth. It's all about the art of reinvention. Picture this. Continuously reshaping and adapting yourself to stay relevant and powerful. It's not about sticking to the old, it's about molding yourself for what lies ahead. Let's take a leaf out of the celebrity playbook. Ever noticed how your favorite star is always in the spotlight? That's not by chance. They're masters of Law 5. Think about it. Their public image, style, and even talents are in a constant state of evolution. Why? To keep captivating audiences and staying ahead of the curve. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating laws of power. Which one resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-bending insights. Until next time, embrace the power within.